My name is Ayla, and I work on Profound Logic's support team. Today I'd like to show you how easy it is to use Profound API to integrate your systems together. In this example, I will be integrating the IBM platform with Salesforce. To do this, I'll use Profound API to create a web service call to write to a database table on the IBM. The API will be written using Profound.js low code. Profound.js is a JavaScript and Node solution that runs on many platforms, including IBM. Furthermore, Profound.js low code makes it easy for users to integrate with IBM data and programs. For example, this demo will be writing directly to an IBM database table, but you could also use Profound.js low code to call an IBM program. The Profound.js low code editor runs in your web browser and integrates directly with your IBM. In this example, I will have the Salesforce platform trigger a web service call to Profound API after an opportunity has been marked closed/won. This will simulate sending a purchase order from Salesforce to the IBM for fulfillment after a successful sale. Now let me show you what that all looks like. Here I have the Profound.js IDE open. And this section in the center with low code is called the canvas, which has JavaScript on the back end. Low code uses a point-and-click method, so no previous coding experience is needed. It's easy and straightforward to set up input parameters and added rules. Before getting into the API, I'd like to point out a few things under the General Info tab on the right here. First, the HTTP method. This is the method to send data to the API server to create a resource. Also, the HTTP path. This is the path for accessing the API. Now let me open up this first step of the API and show you what that looks like. This step sets the value for each product that is being added into the database table. If it is using a new ID, then a new record will be created in PO underscore table 2. If it is an existing ID, then the following steps will be skipped and the API will be terminated. So as you can see, Profound.js's low-code interface, things are being set up automatically using the drop-down menu options to easily enter the API parameters wanted. So here you have the rest of the API. Now let me show you the database where the API will input the data from the opportunity made in Salesforce. Using IBM's Access Client Solutions, I'm going to open up Run SQL Scripts and run this SQL statement to show you the database table, which is right here. Now let me show you how to trigger the API. In Salesforce, there is an opportunity named Salesforce Demo Test. I'm going to mark it as closed and then select closed/won and save it. Doing this will trigger a web service call to the API we were just looking at. Now, back on Run SQL Scripts, I'm going to rerun this SQL statement. And you can see that the first row of the database has now been updated with the opportunity we just closed in Salesforce. It has the ID Salesforce Demo Test that we titled this opportunity. That concludes this brief introduction to using Profound.js's low code. We were able to build a zero-code integration with IBM and a third-party platform. Please stay tuned for a full-length video explaining all of the details in this example. Thank you.